Hello viewers, today I am going to share with you Naivedyam Prasaad recipe with Kheel, which is called puff rice or Khoi or Dhan lava. Firstly, pick the husk from the each piece of grain, then add some banana pieces like this. Arrange 5 to 6 banana pieces over 2 bowl puff rice like this. Next I am going to add coconut powder. Add 2 tablespoons coconut powder. Whenever we'll mix this puffed poha with coconut powder, banana and jaggery, this Naivedyam recipe will be very tasty. Add 2 tablespoons crushed jaggery. You can pour little cold milk with this. It's a quick, tasty and nutritious Naivedyam recipe. Before serving, mash all the ingredients properly. Friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.